Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS Wiz. In today's video, we'll be creating a mesmerizing Newton's Cradle animation using HTML and CSS. It's a simple yet captivating visual effect that you can easily implement on your web projects. So, let's dive into the code. Firstly, we have our HTML structure. It's a basic setup with the document type declaration, head, and body. Inside the body, we have a div with the class Newton's Cradle, and within that, we have 4 divs with the class Newton's Cradle __ dot. These dots represent the balls in our Newton's Cradle. Now, let's take a look at the CSS. We've defined some custom properties for the size, speed, and color of our cradle. The key part here is the styling of the cradle and dots. The cradle itself is a flex container, and each dot is a flex item. The dots are styled to have a circular shape using the after pseudo element. Next, we have keyframes for the swinging motion. The first dot swings from 0 to 70 degrees and back, while the last dot swings in the opposite direction. This gives us the classic Newton's Cradle effect. The animation is set to be infinite, creating a perpetual swinging motion. And there you have it. A simple and elegant Newton's Cradle animation using just HTML and CSS. feel free to customize the size, speed, and colors to match your project's theme. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.